today is another Vlogmas day, and today we are at Walmart because I wanted to share with you guys a Christmas holiday tradition that us Puerto Rican do every year. So for today's video, we'll be doing Coquito. If you don't know what Coquito is, it's basically like eggnog, but Puerto Rican style. And again, we have our little trusty companion, Mateo. Say hi. Isn't it crazy that you go to Walmart for one thing and you end up with a lot of things? Okay, so we are back from Walmart and I ended up getting so many things. Honestly, I always say I'm gonna go get a few things and I end up doing grocery shopping for some reason. If you're like that, comment down below and let me know. So really quick, I'm going to pull up our Coquito recipe just in case you are wanting to do it at home. It's really easy, really simple. We got it online. It is 1 can of evaporated milk, 2 cans of condensed milk, 1 can of coconut cream, 1 can of coconut milk, and then it's going to be 2 spoons of vanilla, and then 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and this one includes coconut shredding, but we're not doing that, and then just a pinch of salt, and then the most important part is obviously rum, but we're not doing that. We're only doing the virgin kind because we don't drink at home. So this is the brand we got. That's the only brand I could find at Walmart right now. And then the crema de coco or cream of coconut, we get the Goya brand. This is what it looks like. And then condensed milk, it doesn't really matter which brand as long as it's not like the great value. You can, but I feel like personally they all taste different. So right now we got the Magnolia brand. That is how it looks. Okay, so today we have a very special guest, my sister Lily. And we already have everything open. We're just gonna pour everything. Again, the ingredients for the Coquito is 1 can of evaporated milk, 2 cans of condensed milk, 1 of crema de coco, coconut cream, 1 can of coconut milk,
2 teaspoons.
Okay, so 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Okay.
And then it says coco rallado, but we're not gonna use that. And then a little bit of salt. So we're just gonna pour everything. I don't think, are we gonna do it in order? I don't know. So now I'm pouring the cream of coconut.
We're not professionals, just in case. We need a bigger blender.
No, I'm good. No. Let's not risk it.
Just a little. No, that's too much. That's too much.
Está bien sweet. Just like half, and then we can mix it up.
We're improvising here, guys. Now it's good.
So we bought these, ¿cómo se dice esto? Containers, I don't know, at the Dollar Tree, and this is what we're gonna use to put the Coquito in. Normally it'll be like a
looks like a wine bottle.
Like a wine bottle. Yeah, and then you can decorate it or do whatever with it, but today we're just gonna put it here. Now we're gonna put this one. This is what was left over of the other batch. Me le faltaría como canela.
No. If you put too much, it's not gonna be good. 2.5.
Oh my god.
This is for Mateo.
We made baby Mateo a little Coquito.
We're adding more cinnamon. And then we put it on the fridge for a couple hours.
And let's see. Focus, please. This is how it turned out. That's how it kind of I'm not sure if you guys can see it. We just sprinkled some cinnamon inside, and you do have to leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours before you drink it. Otherwise, it's gonna give you a real stomach ache. So we don't recommend you drinking it right after you're done. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I certainly did. So please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.